Okay, this assignment again is going to help us practice reading, creating, modifying, updating arrays. I'm using that array visualizer again to represent different amounts that are stored inside of various investment accounts. So there's going to be an array of accounts. Right now that array is empty. If we go to our code here, this accounts array right here, let's make that a little bigger for you. This accounts array is empty. Your first task in the assignment here is to populate that array. So create 200 random elements between 0 and 5,000, right? So inside of here, you're going to want to create, 200 random numbers inside of here, each random number representing the amount inside of an investment account, right? So I'm just going to put a couple numbers in here, maybe 2,000, 5,000 is the highest. Max amount 5,000, right? Have a 3,000, 1,500. And with those values in, you can see that. And you're going to do, obviously you're not going to type these values all in because you need 200 of them, and they're supposed to be random. Okay, once you have that done, then basically there's all these menu options. So inside of the code down below here, right, so here's the main menu function, and based on the selection, there's these different functions that you have to implement down here. So count range, right? You're going to count the number of counts that are between 2,000 and 4,000. There's a generous donor one where every account that is less than 2,000 is going to get extra $500. A hacker steals 5% from every account, so you've got to modify the account to show that theft. Investment stats, minimum, maximum, average account amounts. You can add a new account, so you just prompt, right, one of those prompt pop-up windows, ask for a new amount to the opening amount of the account, and then add that to the array. Remove all the low accounts that are below 500. Again, make sure that it does this in one pass, right? It should remove all of them in one shot. And then Robinhood's a fun one. I'll let you read this. Basically, you're going to steal from the rich, figure out how much you have, and then distribute that evenly amongst the poor. Anyway, I thought that was a fun one. This one's a little bit trickier. Hopefully it goes well. If you can't get it, whatever. Maybe it's more of a challenge one. But I think you should be able to figure it out. Just it's a little bit more complicated. It'll take a couple of steps. Okay. Anyway, that's the main idea. So again, just start off by creating the array. Right. Your starting code will start empty. You'll need to add those 200 random numbers between 0 and 5,000. And then implement all the menu options. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Again, use this little output element down below, right, in the code there. Where did I do that? The output element is just the div at the bottom, and you can set its inner HTML to do any output you need. Like here, the total amount that was donated. So you can change this to say, a generous donor donated blank amount. Okay, that's the assignment. Hopefully it goes well. If you need any help, make sure you ask. All right, take care and do awesome.